Wash the poison from off my skin. Show me how to be whole again. Fly me up on a silver wave, past the black where the sirens sing.
Did you know that material from construction, demolition and renovation of buildings makes up third of our region's waste? This is 1.6 million tons each year. Around 75% of this waste recycled, but more than half of the remaining materials going to disposal and can be reused or recycled. The aim of reducing waste in construction industry is to increase the recycling rate of construction, renovation and demolition industry to 80%. Activities that produce the most waste, demolition and disposal of food materials are targeted. Construction waste management or job site recycling identifies ways to reduce waste, divert materials from the landfill and properly dispose of them. Contractors, building owners and construction professionals can minimize the amount of waste sent to disposal by deciding on waste diversion target at the design and planning stage. Targets should be included in construction specifications and shared with all the team members.
To launch an on-site waste management plan. There are 4 steps in this management plan. The first step is estimate your waste and recyclables. Based on the type and size of your project, estimate the type and quantity of waste materials generated on-site. Second step is choose a recycling program that fits. Decide what type of operation is appropriate for your site and research calling option. For source separation, recyclables are sorted on-site and put into separate bins, result in lower tipping fees at recycling facilities. On the other hand, for mixed collection, recyclables materials are put into one bin and taken to a facility for sorting. This is good for sites with limited space. Step 3. Create a waste management plan. The plan should have all the information needed for workers to achieve the waste diversion goals and targets. And the final step is organize your recycling program. Designate a person or team who will be responsible for implementing the program and monitoring the site.
To set up a construction waste management program. So besides making a measurable difference in the amount of material being sent to a landfill, there are other reasons for setting up a construction waste management program. So first, reduce costs. So tipping fees for separated recyclables are considerably lower than mixed waste loads. Recycling cardboard and scrap metal should generate revenue. So over the course of a project, these savings make good business. Thanks for doing the right thing. Second, marketing opportunity. Achieving high construction waste diversion rates provides a distinct marketing advantage for companies as a growing number of customers are looking for contractors using environmentally responsible practices.
Set up the construction waste management program is to reduce the impact on the environment. Through the waste reduction and more efficient use of resources, you will be reducing the impact from your project on the environment by conserving natural resources and reducing the consumption of energy and water, and also creating the less air pollution, greenhouse gas and solid waste when extracting, transporting and manufacturing virgin materials.
Summary of the roles that all parties must play to maximize the amount of construction and demolition waste that is diverted from disposal. The first one is the role played by general contractor. He must estimate waste generation, salvage and recycling opportunities. identify the recycling program that is best suited for the site. And the third one is select a waste hauler with experience in job site recycling. Next is set up the program on site, educate workers, monitor waste management program day to day, and finally, we must also record keeping and reporting.
Next, on developers, property owners and also managers. So they make waste reduction a priority from the start of the project, and they also set waste diversion goals for the project. And lastly, support the waste management program during the duration of the project.
In design stage, architects and designers plays a very important role. They must try to prevent waste by 3 ways. The first one is selecting standard size for all building materials to maximize waste on site. The second one is designing spaces that will be flexible to changing users. The third one, designing for reconstruction. The first step in designing for this reconstruction is they must identify material, reuse and waste reduction opportunities. The second one is to select a contractor with established experience in job site recycling. Third one, include a construction waste management specification. And the final one is write a waste management plan, monitor job site recycling program, and finally report on the program success.